Lido, you have balloon now. With light. Say thank you to Baba. I think he likes the colored one.
All 10. This one or this one?
That's Minnie Mouse. That's for girl. And then there's a boy, Mickey Mouse.
This one. Mickey Mouse.
Zido.
Yalla, they go.
Look, look, look. Return the other one.
You retain it.
That one.
No, no, both.
Ah, you bought two? We already bought three, I think, and he destroyed them. And now he wants something to destroy.